Morning makers. So it is 5:15 in the morning and I haven't slept and I'm tired, but flight leaves in an hour. I'm heading to Prague. We finally made it to Prague. I just checked into the hotel. Let me show you around the room. Bear in mind, everything is absolutely fully booked in Prague for this weekend. So this was a last minute. I chose this hotel. It was relatively cheap. But now I know why. That's my room. That's all there is to it. I have a bed. I have like a shelf. I have my luggage, suitcase, whatever, heater, clothes hanger, some towels, and a shared bathroom. However, they're going to change the room tomorrow, so yeah, it doesn't really bother me. I don't expect to spend much time in here. I just want a place to sleep. Out of this window is Prague. Just to the left, something close by. I'm about 250 meters away from the Prusa factory, and I'm about 250 meters away from where they're going to do the Maker Faire. So yeah, this will do. So I've just stepped out of the hotel, probably about 20 meters down the road. Recognize that place? That's where we're going. Walking into the Prusa building. That van is coming out. So if you've ordered a Mark III or a Mark II or a Prusa, it's probably on its way. Fancy stuff. In order to get into Prusa, you need a card.
So this is essentially, day one. Yesterday was day one. Yesterday was the day I arrived. You last saw me going into the Prusa lab or Prusa research and kind of recording. But then what happened was that I had told Joe that today, Friday, was the day we're going to record. So he didn't make any plans for us yesterday. He was quite busy. I got a tour of the factory. That thing has grown so much bigger than I remember it. So I'm very excited to show you guys all the cool stuff that's going in the background. Today, well, I just woke up, I just had a shower. I'm just gonna wait for Joe to message me, so I'll head off to the factory and we can start recording. Today's a new day, I feel awesome. Let's get to this.
So we are here at Maker Faire in Prague, where preparations are on the way. It's Friday currently, so it's relatively empty right now. Behind me are the Prusa stand. There is more constructions going on. Back here, if I don't crash into anything, there's a familiar face. You know this guy. So he's currently busy talking, but it's an awesome venue. It's a beautiful venue. Architecture is really nice. Oh, say hi! Come on, hi. Man. Hi, Mr. Prusa himself. Proud sponsor of this trip. So yeah, we're gonna go around a bit, see how things are going. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, and hopefully tomorrow this thing will be epic. And that is it for today, guys. Still lots to set up. They have about till 10 o'clock tonight to come and set up their stalls. It's going to be about 181, I think Joe said, different displays or different stands. So it's set to be quite awesome for a first Maker Faire. I just had lunch with Prussia. We talked quite long and I was very proud of this, and so it should be. This is going to be an awesome event. If you're in the area, I hope you come by this weekend. As to me, I'm gonna head out tomorrow the Maker Faire starts, so I'll be here covering everything. I'll be here for a couple of hours as well, and then it's off to Prussia Lab to, well, play with his new machinery. That is it for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you probably tomorrow, Sunday or Monday. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, happy making, guys.